Centennial Mall Collectors Market. Let's check it out. Maybe Nancy's got some cool things for us today.
Oh, I know. I'm sure she does.
She usually does.
She never disappoints. Okay.
Let's go.
Good, how are you?
This,
Yeah.
She's over here taking pictures of it. I said I don't want her to put it on posted, so you saw.
Well, she can if.
Well, she can, but
And then people will come and go, "Where's that thing?" You'd be like, "Oh, you just missed
that,
it."
this is turn of the century, turn of the 19th century.
Wow.
See, it's all Victorian.
Oh, is it stuck in there?
Yeah, it was stuck in there a little bit.
They got the stoppers and everything.
Yeah, and the lids. Yeah, it's all complete.
It's all complete.
What'd you find?
Silver. That's pretty.
And I brought that for you, a straight razor.
Oh.
Made like that, so. And that's a gift for me.
Thank you, Nancy.
Now,
Yeah.
I want you to look at the candlesticks. These came out of the Sacre-Cœur Church in Paris. Try to lift them up.
Pick it up.
Oh yeah, they've got some weight to them.
Yeah,
I don't want to.
Oh yeah.
that's where those came.
Wow.
Everybody's
Those are nice.
You know, on the high altar, you have to have the, you know.
Right, the big candlesticks. Those are nice. Yeah. Isn't that pretty?
Look at all the fretwork and all the engraving. on it.
Yeah, like down here.
Most of the time you see them, there's broken bottles or
Yes.
the tops are missing. You just
Yeah,
don't
or
find
some.
them
Yeah, exactly. Like some piece is always missing.
I like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then I brought you my rare. These are whale oil lamps. All that they have sticking out
Oh.
of them are just little wicks. You know, they never had shades or anything else. These date back
Wow.
to the mid 1800s. My grandfather owned a steamship.
That's a
called the
heavy.
SSS Greenbrier.
Those are pretty. I like that color.
That one, that sapphire color. Is
Yeah, isn't that nice?
The blue one came off of that. My
Really?
brother still has the oil painting off that ship. Ulysses S. Grant, President Grant owned the USS Greenbrier at one time. And when he died, a fleet of ships were sold, and my grandfather had two of them.
Wow, 2 whole ships?
That's a very old bottle.
Yeah, there's.
He gave the name on it.
Oh, it's just got beads in it. I thought it had maybe had the pills in it still.
What is it? Schenk's Mandrake Pill Compound.
That's the original.
Interesting. J.H. Schenk.
Yeah.
2 to 6 pills. Just keep popping them until you feel
Just
something.
whenever.
Yeah.
Doesn't have like a time period.
No.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah.
And they're in great shape.
Yeah,
I think
look at
that
that.
blue one is outstanding.
Yeah, that color. It's so pretty.
Bishop, I won't ever have any more of them. That's the only ones I
What do you think
have.
of these?
That's your decision for those. You're the decorator in the house.
I know, I'm trying to.
you have
They're
to know where
so
those are going to go.
grand. I like them, but I'm just
Yes,
trying
you
to
can put them
think.
next to the fireplace or move them on the table.
They wouldn't look bad on the cement, like
On the cement, that's where a lot of
That's
people
a good
look in the
idea.
decorator magazines.
Okay.
That's Martha Stewart and them have them next to a, well,
Yeah.
I don't know.
And yeah, and then these two guys here. Nice. Oh, and this is for salt.
I got a whole box of those, all different kinds, the little ones. My aunt used to serve those when we were we'd have a little spoon. You'd get the spoon separate and put it on your celery and stuff.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
And here. That's Hull pottery.
Oh, yes.
Look, here's the whole box of the salts, all different.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Those are cute.
They're all different. They're all real cool. Little feet on them.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Okay, so what were you asking for these things?
Okay. These, I want 150 on those. Those are genuine. In fact, the guy over here will tell you. He told me what to put on them. I'm not going with that.
Yeah.
They are wow.
Yeah, that's a lot of brass.
It is. They're heavy.
And then
That I'd give you a deal on that. 100 on that.
and then those two.
95 each, and I got my book here. I can show you. Those go for around $350, because of the age on them. Those are the only two I've ever had. I don't have any more.
So we're almost at about 450 here.
Is that right?
So you got 150, 250. And if those are 95 each,
Yeah.
440.
Okay, and
Oh yeah. These things.
no, just take that. We could just make it 400.
What do you think?
And then here, you can also have the box with all the salts in it.
Oh,
You're gonna
really?
give that to us?
Yes.
Oh,
Make
thanks.
the deal sweeter, as they say.
Well, I think we can't turn that down.
I was just gonna say we
There's a whole
can.
big box
Yeah.
of these.
I love these little salt
And I'll
things.
find. New York.
Try that
Ernie's
on.
little bungalow. If you see any rings you want there, just take some. It's fine.
Well, maybe it would fit my thumb. I don't know.
I want to wrap these up. And then you can take the candle holders by themselves, and I'll wrap the other up. How does that?
So, what am I? Do you carry one stick?
Jeff, you should make some. You didn't
Oh
know I
no, that
didn't have
Wizard
any
of
luck.
Oz, somebody came in here, and then the next weekend somebody came and said, oh, it's gone.
I said,
Oh, you should have bought two of those, eh?
most women now want to go for
Who knew though?
There was only,
It's a crapshoot. Oh, guess who? Rami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't she? Tanning gray hair. Those are kind of neat.
Aren't they? Yeah, feel how heavy they are.
Yeah, those are really neat.
It's probably way the same as you.
Yeah.
We'll be.
See you later.
See ya. Take care, Yvonne. Which
We like
one?
the old ones.
Oh, that's a new one.
Really, my favorite piece was like this gigantic.
Oh, that's
nice.
uranium.
It's really nice.
It's
Where'd
like
you
a
find that?
tulip or something.
Yeah,
isn't
it's a
it? I've
cool
just never
pattern.
seen that.
Find it.
That's nice.
It is,
Uranium.
yeah.
Oh,
I was thinking for you guys.
Okay, we gotta go.
That's.
Oh, my arms are
Did you want
falling
that or?
off. It's a little expensive for me.
No, I'm not going to charge you that much.
Oh.
Do you want it for $20?
Oh, I'd take it for 20
Yeah,
bucks.
absolutely.
It's yours.
That is awesome, Jeff.
Sweet. Yeah.
That's a great deal. Thanks, buddy.
What's with this? But it's not for me. Like, I like
I have
it.
a
I know
Pyrex
you guys really like it.
bowl. I don't know if you'd be interested. I can bring it next week for you.
And
Look.
you can go get it. You can go ahead and shine the light on it if you want.
Oh, I've got a light with me.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, we've got.
Yeah. It is. I got it.
I believe
Because
you.
I was like,
Yeah. Take care, buddy.
Thanks, Jen. Oh my God, my arms.
I know mine too. Oh, thank you so much.
you're welcome, guys.
Here, you want to give me the candlestick? Give me the other one.
No, you can't.
Yeah, let go.
My wrist is just wrecked. I'm holding this. Keep going right at the back.
Oh yeah, right. I was looking over there. I'm like, where the hell's our truck? All things gold colored today, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
She does give us a lot of stuff.
She does.
Okay. I'll keep this in the front with me.
Okay.
Yeah, she said this one was sterling, but it's like, it says 10K, but then it says something else that's sort of half worn off.
No.
Yeah, but it's a man's ring, but it's really nice. I think it's really nice. So I don't know. I'm gonna test for diamonds there. It's so nice and sparkly. And then this one's sterling. Isn't it pretty? And look at how it's set like that. So nice. So, and like the back's open, right? So that you can clean and so that your gems sparkle nicely. So like real things with real stones, that's how they're set. So I don't know. It'll be interesting to see.
Yeah, we'll have to use the diamond tester on those and
Yeah.
see what they say.
Yeah.